Okay, test for review. Alright, problem number 1, what is a simplified form of? Alright, you notice this is, we don't have no parentheses, no multiplications, we just have to do the product row. So we have a 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1, so we have a to the 1 first power. B to the 3 minus 6 is negative 3. And C is 9 minus 10 is negative 1. Remember, any of the negatives go to the bottom, so B to the 3 and C. Okay, and if it's a 1, we don't have to write anything. So, okay. Number 2, which expression is equivalent to ABC to the 4th power, negative 3a to the 3rd, c to the 2nd, negative 4a squared, b4, c3. Okay, there's no up and down, so the only thing we're doing is the product rule. Okay, there's no number outside the parentheses either. Okay, so first I start with the numbers. Negative 3 times negative 4 is 12. Okay, a, remember there's a 1 here. 1 plus 3 plus 2. 3 plus 4 plus 1 plus 3 plus 2. That should be a to the 6. Okay, and b, 1 plus 0. Okay, 1 plus 4 is 5. C, 4 plus 2 plus 3 is 9. I think I'm missing a negative somewhere. Or this isn't written correctly. Anyway, let's just put a negative right here in front of this A. Okay, so this would be our answer. Okay, missing negative. Okay, number 3. Which expression is equivalent? Okay, this one, 12 times 8. It should be 90. 12 times 8. 80, 96. Something's wrong. Maybe you didn't copy right. Oh, sorry. Did not look at it correctly. I didn't see that square there. Okay, so it's 144, 12, okay, a to the 8, b 4 to the 4th. Okay, we have to do the power rule first. Okay, now we do the product rule. Now that makes more sense. Okay, here is up and down, so we're going to do the quotient rule. 27 divided by 3 is 9. Negative 2 says x to the negative 7. Y 6 minus 4 is y to the 4. Z is nothing. Okay, so I need just to bring the x down. Okay, again, the product rule. y. 3 minus 1 is square. Negative 1 minus negative 3, z to the negative 3, but remember, if it's, we're going to put it down, okay? Okay, so we have 3n to the negative 3, n squared. We're going to keep that as is. 4 to the third power, 64, n to the 6. Remember the power row because this is power row first, okay? And then n to the negative 9. All over, just copy. Okay. 64 times 3. Gotta do it real quick over here. 12, 18, 192. And negative 3 plus 6 is n to the third, n to the negative 7. All over negative 16 and negative 1 and negative 6. 192 divided by negative 16. I'm just assuming it's negative 12. 3 minus negative 1 is n to the fourth. Negative 7 minus negative 1 is negative 1. Negative 6 is negative 1. That's a 9. So, what am I doing here? Okay. There's no answer there, I don't think. Did I do everything correctly? Copy it correctly, Mr. Lee. This is a 4. Okay. Negative 9 minus negative 7 minus 4 is negative 3, so that's 3 on the bottom. Which expression represents the area of a rectangle with sides measuring? Okay. We're looking for the rectangle, so all we have to do is multiply these two things together. So I have 10, x to the third, y to the 8, z to the fourth, just using the product rule. Simplify. Okay, we're going to do FOIL. Multiply 6x squared minus 9x plus 4x in the bottom minus 6. 6x squared minus 5x minus 6. Oh, Mr. Lee, this should be 6. Lots of mistakes, huh? That's what happens when you go too fast. Let's see if I do this one. 6x squared minus 14x minus 2x then minus 6x plus 14. These two together becomes minus 20x plus 14. Okay, radius, the area of circle is A equals pi r squared. So what we need to do is substitute this for r. So a is equal to pi times 2a squared b cubed squared. So that becomes 4a to the 4th b to the 6th pi. Okay, and we just move the number in front, so we get 4 pi a to the 4th b to the 6th. 11. Simplify. First, we have to do this, okay? 5x minus 10. And we do this. Plus 6x squared minus 24x plus 24. Combine like terms. They like the numbers in front. 5 minus 24 is negative 19x, and then plus 14. Okay, again, 6 minus 15x minus 6 minus 10x. 6 minus 6 is 0. So it's negative 15 minus 10 is negative 25. Okay, remember change the sign. 3 minus sx. 9 plus 6. Alright, no, this is a minus, okay. 9 minus 6 is 3. Okay, 5x squared minus 20x. Change the sign. So I have minus x minus 1. Okay. So that's 5x squared minus 21x. These two are the same. Minus 1. Alright, last couple. Okay, so I have negative 3. Then I'm going to FOIL this. X squared minus 4x plus x 1x minus 4. Okay, so negative 3 times x squared minus 3x minus 4 plus 2 4x squared minus 6x minus 9. Okay, so negative 3x squared minus 9x plus 12 plus 8x squared minus 12x minus 18. That becomes 5x squared. That becomes minus 21x. And this becomes minus 6. Looked like Mr. Lee messed up again, didn't he? Yes, he did. This should be the answer. Really quickly, I messed up right here when it's negative. Negative should have been a positive, which makes that 3. So this should be negative 3. And our answer is this one right here, okay? Last one simplified is right here. So